According to the US Department of Energy, a faulty or contaminated oxygen sensor can reduce fuel economy by as much as 10% to 40%. That's a huge loss, considering fuel is one of the biggest ongoing expenses for most drivers. Yet here is something most mechanics won't tell you. Many oxygen sensors that trigger check engine lights are not actually dead. They are simply covered in carbon deposits, fuel residue, sulfur contamination, or oil ash that slows their response time. In Japan, where vehicles are expected to last hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal repairs, mechanics often focus on cleaning and restoring components before replacing them. In today's video, I'm going to reveal Japanese-inspired tricks that can help clean your O2 sensor without removing it from the exhaust system. Some of these methods cost less than $10, while others are completely free. Let's dive in. Trick number 1, the high RPM carbon burn method. One of the oldest Japanese workshop techniques involves using the engine's own heat to clean the oxygen sensor naturally. The sensing element inside a modern O2 sensor operates at temperatures ranging from approximately 600 degrees Fahrenheit to over 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit. And those extreme temperatures can burn away carbon deposits if the sensor remains hot long enough. To perform this trick, first make sure the engine oil level and coolant level are correct. Drive the vehicle until it reaches full operating temperature. Then, take the vehicle onto a highway or open road where legal and safe conditions allow you to maintain engine speeds between 2,500 and 3,500 revolutions per minute for roughly 15 to 20 minutes. Japanese mechanics often call this an engine exercise session. During this process, exhaust gas temperatures increase dramatically. That helps to burn off soot and carbon that may be coating the sensor tip. Many drivers report smoother acceleration and improved fuel economy afterward because the sensor begins sending more accurate data to the engine computer. The best part is that this method costs absolutely nothing and takes advantage of a cleaning process the sensor was designed to perform naturally. Trick number 2. Use a high-quality fuel system cleaner. Japanese mechanics understand that the contamination affecting an oxygen sensor usually starts inside the combustion chamber. That's why they often focus on cleaning the entire fuel system instead of attacking the sensor directly. To perform this method, wait until your car's fuel tank is nearly empty. Then add a reputable fuel system cleaner like Liquimoly before filling the tank completely. These cleaners contain detergents designed to remove deposits from fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. Research has shown that dirty fuel injectors can alter fuel spray patterns by over 20%, leading to incomplete combustion and increased carbon production. As the combustion process becomes cleaner, fewer contaminants travel through the exhaust stream and accumulate on the oxygen sensor. Now, drive continuously until the treated tank is nearly empty. Many drivers notice smoother idle quality, improved throttle response, and better fuel economy after 1 or 2 treatment cycles. Japanese fleet maintenance programs often use this preventative approach because it cleans the source of the contamination rather than just addressing the symptom. Trick number 3, the steam cleaning method. This is one of the most fascinating cleaning techniques used by experienced mechanics around the world. Carbon deposits inside the engine eventually become exhaust deposits that can contaminate the oxygen sensor. To perform this procedure, start your engine and allow it to reach full operating temperature. With the engine running around 2,000 revolutions per minute, carefully introduce a very small amount of water through a suitable vacuum source leading into the intake manifold. The water instantly transforms into steam when it enters the combustion chamber. That steam helps loosen and remove carbon deposits from valves, pistons, and combustion chamber surfaces. The process essentially creates an internal steam cleaning effect. Automotive engineers have observed that steam can be extremely effective at breaking apart stubborn carbon buildup. As deposits are removed from the combustion process, less contamination reaches the oxygen sensor. However, this method must be performed carefully because introducing too much water too quickly can damage the engine. When done correctly, many mechanics report noticeable reductions in carbon-related performance issues and improved emission system operation. Trick number 4, the Italian tune-up technique. Despite the name, Japanese mechanics have adopted and refined this technique for decades. Modern engines are engineered to operate across their entire RPM range, yet most drivers rarely exceed 2,500 RPM during daily driving. This allows carbon deposits to slowly accumulate throughout the intake and exhaust systems. To perform this trick, fully warm up the engine first. Then, in a safe and legal environment, perform several strong acceleration runs while allowing the engine to reach higher RPM levels than it normally sees. These bursts dramatically increase exhaust temperature and gas velocity. Research has shown that higher exhaust temperatures help burn away deposits from catalytic converters and oxygen sensors. Japanese technicians often recommend this procedure for vehicles that spend most of their time in stop-and-go traffic. During these acceleration events, exhaust temperatures can increase by several hundred degrees, helping remove contaminants that normal driving leaves behind. Many drivers are surprised to discover improved throttle response and reduced hesitation after performing this procedure. It's essentially giving the emission system a deep cleaning workout. Trick number 5. Eliminate vacuum leaks before cleaning the sensor. Here is a statistic that surprises many drivers. A small vacuum leak can cause fuel trims to change by more than 15%, forcing the engine to run richer than intended. When an engine runs rich, excess fuel creates soot and carbon deposits that eventually contaminate the oxygen sensor. Japanese mechanics always diagnose root causes before replacing components. To perform this inspection, open your car's hood and visually examine every vacuum hose for cracks, splits, loose fittings, or collapsed sections. Listen carefully for hissing sounds around the intake manifold while the engine is idling. You can also use carburetor cleaner or smoke testing equipment to identify leaks more accurately. If a leak is found, repair it immediately. Once the air-fuel mixture returns to normal, carbon production decreases significantly. This allows the oxygen sensor to remain cleaner and operate more efficiently. Many drivers mistakenly replace sensors when the real culprit is a $5 vacuum hose. Trick number 6. Switch to top-tier fuel. One of the best Japanese maintenance secrets is preventing contamination before it starts. Higher quality fuels often contain detergent packages that help keep injectors and combustion chambers cleaner. Cleaner combustion produces fewer carbon particles and contaminants that can foul oxygen sensors. Many drivers don't realize that low-quality fuel can increase deposit formation throughout the engine. Over thousands of miles, those deposits can significantly affect emissions components. Japanese taxi fleets frequently prioritize fuel quality because they understand that small improvements in combustion cleanliness can lead to substantial savings in maintenance costs over time. Trick number 7. The Japanese taxi fleet highway method. Many Japanese taxi companies keep vehicles on the road for 300,000 to 500,000 miles or more, and one secret involves regular highway operation. Vehicles used primarily for city driving rarely maintain high exhaust temperatures long enough for self-cleaning processes to occur. To perform this method, take the vehicle on a highway trip lasting at least 30 to 45 minutes at steady cruising speeds. Make sure the engine reaches full operating temperature and remains there throughout the drive. Sustained heat helps burn away carbon deposits from the oxygen sensor, catalytic converter, and exhaust system. Studies have shown that short-trip driving significantly increases deposit accumulation because components repeatedly heat up and cool down before reaching optimal cleaning temperatures. Many drivers experience disappearing check engine lights and improved fuel economy after several long highway drives because the emission system finally gets an opportunity to clean itself. Japanese fleet managers consider this preventive maintenance rather than simply driving the vehicle. That's all for this video. Before spending hundreds of dollars replacing an oxygen sensor, remember that contamination is often the real problem. These Japanese-inspired cleaning techniques focus on eliminating carbon, improving combustion quality, and restoring proper sensor operation without ever removing the sensor from the exhaust system. Try these methods first, and you may save yourself hundreds of dollars while keeping your engine running smoother, cleaner, and more efficiently for years to come. I will see you in the next video.